In organizing our resources, we should upload an easy to find resources in multiple formats of the how-to or the frequently asked questions of the virtual classrooms or the learning management system. That is for the students to give technical support even if you are not live or even if you are not synchronous and even if you are not real time 24/7 to reply to their responses or to their technical concern. Reading the resources or providing them the how-to materials will give them the peace of mind that if in case they have problems on the technical aspects in the learning management system, there is a place for them to go to. Make sure to have an easy to find resource in multiple formats, your syllabus or about the course or about the subject. There should be a page and at the same time a downloadable version of the syllabus, just like in our virtual classroom. Next, there should be an organized area for your class schedule, for your consultation hours. There should be a place for bulletin where you can post all your announcement and all your notification. There should be an area and a consistent area for video conferencing, for chat session, and for open forum. Another tip is think to offer surprises like rewards, sending private messages, saying hi to them, hello to them, giving some announcement, giving some notices, top performer for the week, the highest scorer of a particular activity, and so on and so forth. Ninth, organize your learning management system in a uniform format, whether it is weekly, it is monthly, periodic, or by topic. If you choose by topic, make sure that the rest of the semester is in by topic. If you choose by week, make sure the rest of the semester is in a weekly format. Do not combine several formats. It may confuse the learners. 10. Set up for self-paced learning. Apply restrictions. Apply completion. Just like in our virtual classroom, if you have not completed a particular activity prior to activity, a particular activity will not be available. Just like this, the activity about this week, the quiz will not be available not unless you are going to complete or view a particular resource or a particular video. 11, be creative. So instead of simply putting all the URL there, you can use some images as thumbnail. You can combine in one page as if it will look like a clickable material, but actually it's just an image. All you have to do is to put the URL and hyperlink the URL. Simulate and test. I hope in your virtual learning management system, there is a feature where you can simulate or your account can simulate being a student. Try to navigate, switch your role account into a participant, into a learner, into a facilitator, and so on and so forth, so that you can view what is the view or what is the perspective course page of your learners or of your student. Organizing resources is also ensuring student engagement. So let's make sure that our virtual classroom is easy to navigate, resources are easy to locate, and our virtual classroom is interactive.